Hello, I'm Refashionista Sheri. I am interrupting myself because I have incredibly, excitingly, insanely awesome news for you, and that is the fact that I am now published. Can you believe it? I have three publications, and the first is my sustainable style journal, which is just awesome. Next, Refashionista Relaxation coloring book, plus both of these are full of tips and tricks, of course, and my epically awesome Refashioning 101 book has been published. It is 220 awesome full color pages of tips, tricks, and tutorials. But you know what? Let's go and take a closer look at these awesome books. Let's start with my sustainable style journal. And the reason I created this fantastically comic themed journal is simply because I wanted something that I could easily keep track of refashioning ideas or anything like that. And then I was thinking, you know what? Why don't I include my 4-step wardrobe audit, plus then there's space where you can write down the results from your audit. Then you can also do here what is in your dream wardrobe, and of course the Refashionista projects from my channel and my blog that you want to make. And then the rest you can keep track, like a little style diary if you want, or journal, whatever the heck you want in here. It is just so super cool. I love how it came out. It is beautifully printed, and the little backstory is just hilarious too. Join Refashionista Sheri, our eco-fashion crusader, on a mission to rescue wardrobes from the mundane. In this dynamic eco-fashion journal, Refashionista Sheri swoops in to help you uncover and create your own unique style. With her powerful 4-step wardrobe audit, you'll revolutionize your closet and unlock your fashion superpowers. Follow her lead as she guides you through decluttering, identifying your style heroes, mastering the art of mixing and matching, and tracking your stunning looks. Embark on this stylish adventure and forge a sustainable, chic future with your eco-fashion journal. And let's talk about prices, okay? Because I think I've kept the prices very, very reasonable considering that printing needs to be paid for and everything. So this one is $7.99. And of course, that is in American dollars because that's just how life is online. Everything is in American dollars. But if you're in a country that has a stronger currency than the US currency, it's going to be cheaper. If you're in a country that is a little bit of a weaker currency, it's going to be a bit more expensive. But I think $7.99 is very, very fair considering this is just fantastic. And again, printing costs do need to come out of that price as well. Next, we have my stunning Refashionista Relaxation coloring book. And this not only includes coloring pages, it also has Refashionista sketch design pages, as well as, of course, once again, my 4-step wardrobe audit, because I just think that's something important to include in all of my publications because it's such an awesomely quick and easy tool for discovering your own unique style. And of course, decluttering and sorting through the items that you don't want anymore as well. I also included loads of thrifting tips, including how to spot vintage. Now, let's have a look at this. Beautiful. So gorgeous. You see here, sketch your refashioning ideas. And one of the reasons I've put these blank pages on is something that I really don't like about coloring books is when the pages are printed just on front and on the back. It makes it very difficult to color, right? Because the colors go through. But this way, it's not going to go through. And even if it does, it doesn't matter. And if it doesn't go through, you just have extra space to sketch your refashioning ideas. And oh, look, there's that wardrobe audit. I love these designs. They came out absolutely beautifully. And again, the printing is just stunning. We have thrifting tips. This, I think, is my favorite outfit in this whole book, which is saying a lot because there's a lot. Oh no, maybe this one is. This one is absolutely stunning as well. And there's some more me shopping in a vintage store. And here, how to spot vintage. Everything definitely has an order and a flow, which of course is how I designed it. And here, how to thrift online. It's just, I cannot get over how gorgeous Refashionista thrifting tips this came out. It just is absolutely stunning. Here we have removing odors from clothing and fabrics, and it's just keeping your clothes in top condition. I really tried to pack in as much useful info into this as I possibly could. Here we have the whole section about footwear as well. And it's just, I mean, can you tell I'm excited? I'm so excited about this. And this gorgeous coloring book and, of course, thrifty tips and fashion inspo is $9.99 US. Once again, I think a very fair price for the amount of awesomeness that is included in this book. And of course, I have saved the biggest, the brightest, and in my humble opinion, the best for last. I have been creating ebooks for more than a few years, and it's all kind of culminated in this absolutely amazing print book. It is just, sorry, I'm getting teary now. It's just so awesome to see and to be able to hold, you know, my work in my hands and to be able to share it with the world it's just amazing. So this is 220 pages, full color pages of absolutely every single thing you could possibly need to get started refashioning and upcycling your own wardrobe or your friend's wardrobe or just anyone's clothing whatsoever. It's just, again, and it's all very, very painstakingly and of course lovingly designed and created and photographed by me. And the contents, can I just say, doing contents pages for big books like this is wowza. It is crazy because if you mess up one page, then you got to go back and do the whole thing all over again. But I did it. It's correct. It is awesome. And you can see here, everything is by category. And then in each category, we have tutorials, and it starts off with thrifting tips and all of this. Then we have cleaning and laundry tips. It's just, then transforming with bleach and dye. It is just, I'm so proud of this. I cannot express how proud I am of all of the work that went into this. No sew refashions. Just like with the coloring book, I really designed this to have a good flow to it. So we start off, you know, just with the thrifting tips and then bleaching and dyeing and then no sew tutorials. And then we get started with hand stitching. And look at that. I'm showing you all the different stitches and everything that I know and I've taught myself over the years. Quick mends, easy fixes. It's just, wow, DIY dresses. And I still have this dress and it is absolutely gorgeous. And again, it appears in this book. There it is right there. I am just so proud of myself. And I think that's perfectly acceptable to say that I'm proud of myself. You know, I did this all on my own. I photographed, designed, wrote it. Every single thing is my work. And so I'm so proud to share this with you. And I hope that you get as much enjoyment out of this as I enjoyed putting it together, creating it. This is actually a couple years or more of tutorials packed in here, and every single page is just packed with awesome tutorials and ideas and tips and tricks. You can't get a better refashioning book. As I keep saying, it has everything in it that you could possibly ever need, including the last chapter here where I show you how to use the scraps that are left over from all of these other tutorials. And I don't know, I'm shaking because it's just such an amazing feeling. And I really hope you get as much pleasure out of this book as I truly hope that you will. Anyway, so this epic 220-page full color Refashioning 101 book is $24.99. And as with everything, it will be linked down below. And yes, thank you for buying. Thank you for checking it all out, and enjoy. Absolutely. Please do let me know down below which one of my amazing little book babies you are going to get first. And if you would like me to make a video where I can show you in great detail exactly how I designed all of this and put it all together and got it published and all of that good stuff, yeah, just let me know and I can do that for you if you'd like, because as I said, this is all my designs, my hard work, and I am so proud of myself. So I truly, from the bottom of my heart, hope that you enjoy them, you find them to be very useful, very relaxing, and in the case of the Refashioning 101, I mean, you can just redo your entire wardrobe for, you know, pennies or nothing at all if you already have everything in your house. And until next time, stay safe, stay well, and I'll catch ya on the zigzag. I cannot stop smiling. I am so excited, and I'm getting teary. I'm proud of myself. This is such a long time coming, and they are just so beautiful.
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.